Manager dropdown. Hello and welcome to VeriPic training. This video will provide you with an overview of the Manager dropdown in Barcode. Database administrators have access to the Manager dropdown to manage custom labels, manage alert types, manage case information, and manage list definitions. You can watch the entire video or jump to a topic by clicking on the link. Let's begin. Manage custom labels. To set up the information that prints on the barcode labels, go to the Manager dropdown and select Manage Custom Labels. First, select the label type from the dropdown. You can choose between case, item, and shelf. Let's choose item. You will see the labels that will be printed on the label barcode. You can move the order of the labels by highlighting the label and clicking the Move Up or Move Down buttons. You can also add additional labels. Click Add. Select any label you want to add from the element drop-down list. Click OK. This label will now print on the label barcode. To edit any of the listed labels, click the label from the list and click the Edit button. In the Label text box, edit the label. Click OK when you are done. This label has been edited. To delete any of the labels from the list, select the label from the list and click Delete. A warning will pop up. Click Yes to delete. That label field has been removed from the list and will not be printed on the barcode label. Once you are done with the item type, go to the Label Type drop-down. Let's choose Case. If any changes were made, a warning pop-up will ask if you want to save the changes. Click Yes to save those changes, or click No to continue without saving any changes. Each label type has the same options. Use the Change Order buttons to change the order. Click Add and select any labels you want to add from the element list. Each element list contains different labels based on the label type selected. Click OK when you are done. If you want to edit or delete a label, highlight the label from the list and then select the appropriate button. Let's take a look at the last label type. In the warning pop-up, click Yes if you want to save any changes. Click Shelf from the Label Type drop-down. Make any changes here just as we did for the previous label types. To include a title and logo to print on the barcode labels, check the appropriate checkbox. If you want to print the title on the barcode label, check Include System Title. If you want to include a logo on the barcode label, check Include Custom Label. Click OK when you are done. To create a title and assign a logo, go to the Setup drop-down and click System Setup. Click Change Title. Type in your customized title and click OK. To assign a logo, click Change Logo and navigate over to the logo, select it, and click Open. Under Printer Setup, select from the Font Size drop-down. Choose between small, medium, or large font. To the right, you can select a label size. Select Regular to use the standard size label. To use small labels, select Small. If you choose the small label size option, you will need to make an additional setting change in Print Setup. First, choose one of the options below. In Barcode, you can print out receipts for evidence. Select Print to Label Printer so that the receipts print out on a barcode label, or select Print to Paper Printer to send receipts to a regular paper printer. Click OK when you are done. If you selected the small label size option, go to the File drop-down and select Print Setup. Make sure the barcode label printer is selected. Then click the Properties button. In the Page Setup tab, click the New button to open the Edit Stock window. In the Label Size section, enter 2.5 inches for the width field and 0.83 inches for the height field. Click OK, then click OK in the Printer Properties window. Click OK in the Print window. You can now print with small labels. Manage alert types. In Barcode, you can set an alert as a reminder date to take action on an item. Users can be allowed or required to set up an alert at each access point. alerts can be assigned in the Items Detail window. You can specify the reminder period for each alert type. Go to the Manager drop-down and select Manage Alert Types. You will see a list of alert types with the time period in days. For example, if a user sets a flag for disposal, the reminder date will be set for 30 days from the date the alert is set. To edit the time period, click the alert. Above, in the Time text box, type the number of days or use the arrow keys to the right. Click Save when you are done. The value will be adjusted in the list below. Click OK when you are done. If you want to allow or require alerts to be set during access points, go to the Setup drop-down and select between Book Setup, Access Setup, and Dispose Setup. Manage Cases. To change a case number or other case information such as security level or group membership, go to the Manage Cases drop-down and click Manage Cases. Click Yes in the warning window to continue. Double-click on the case number of interest. The Case Information window will open. Any case information that is added to this case number from the booking process or in the Items Detail window in Barcode can be edited here. If you need to change the case number, simply click in the Case Number text field and type in the correct case number. You can view the record creator and creation time. You can add or edit existing information for Assign To, Case Type, and Case Security Level. Just select the appropriate list definition from the drop-down list. If you use Groups for security, click Manage Group Membership to see what groups have access to this case. We can see that this case is accessible to all groups. To change this, uncheck All Groups. Highlight the groups that can have access to this case and click the Add button. The member groups are the groups that have access to this case. Click OK. If this case has any case additionals, those will be listed here. Case additionals are child case numbers that are attached to the parent case number. You can add or remove additionals by clicking the appropriate button. If you add advanced case information, click the Advanced button. You can add or edit existing case information in this window. If you have custom case fields, you can add or edit existing information from any of the labels. Simply click the label, enter the value, and click Set. Once you are done, click OK in the Case Advanced window. Now click OK in the Basic Case window. Click Yes in the warning pop-up to save any changes made. Manage List Definitions. During the book process, there is an offense drop-down. To edit the list definitions in this list, go to the Manager drop-down, click Manage List Definitions, then select Case Type from the drop-down menu. You can use the Add, Delete, and Edit buttons to customize this list. Case Status and Crime Code are the other two lists that you can edit. These lists appear in the Advanced Case Information window. Click Close when you are done. Thanks for watching this training video. We invite you to take a look at other training videos available in the VeriPic training series.